Hey there, savvy content creators. Have you ever wondered how those reels with millions of views are made? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to spill the beans on how to craft those eye-catching AI avatar reels. And guess what? It's all for free. So, let's dive right in. You've seen those jaw-dropping numbers, 4.5 million, 2.2 million, and even 30 million views. It's all about those AI avatar reels that are setting the trends of late. Just look at this fresh Instagram account. It racked up a whopping 187k followers in just a month by riding this wave. Let's see one of his videos.
5 tips how to control your emotions. Number 1. Never take anything personal. Number 2. Always control your facial expressions. Number 3. Don't react to insults, but never forget them. Number 4. If you react to ladies, you are weak. And Number 5. Positive self-talk. Say your name and tell, you can do this.
And what they're doing to make these type of reels. Today I'll show you how to create this type of video 100% free. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, step 1. Creating the foundation image. We're talking about using Leonardo AI, a nifty AI tool that's absolutely free. If you're not already registered, don't fret, setting up an account is a breeze. Once you're in, hit that AI image generation button, customize your input dimensions, set the image count to 4, and voila. Now, for that striking image, type in wise-looking man, straight face, dark background. But hey, if you want to switch things up, feel free. Just remember to select the Dream Shaper version 7 model. Boom! Download your creation and get ready for the next step. Step 2. Let's craft some wisdom-packed quotes. I'm using ChatGPT for this, but you can also scoop up famous quotes from Google. Easy peasy. Copy those gems and let's roll to next step. Step 3. Moving right along to step 3. It's time to give our words some vocal flair. We're talking about dub.com, a fab tool for generating real human-like voices. Paste your script, adjust settings to your liking, and voicing up your content. Step 4. Animating magic. And now, the big moment, creating animations. We're diving into Hygen.com, another fantastic freebie. If you're new, sign up for an account, or use a temporary email for unlimited access. Upload your AI-made image, set the mood to portrait, and pair it with your AI-generated voice. Moment for that magic to happen. Once it's ready, preview it, download it in top-notch quality, and revel in the brilliance. Final step. Now, brace yourselves for the finishing touch in step 5. Here we go. Editing time. I'm a fan of the free software CapCut, and it's a breeze to use on both PC and mobile. Import your video, adjust the ratio, and hit those captions. Let auto captions do their thing. But make sure to select language or stylized text to match the vibe. Stroke and shadow options for that clear caption pop. Adjust, finesse, and when you're ready, hit export. Once it's ready, preview it, download it in top-notch quality. And here's our final results.
5 best advices for teenagers. 1. Embrace the unknown with curiosity. For life's greatest lessons lie beyond your comfort zone. 2. In the journey of self-discovery, don't fear your flaws. They are the stepping stones to your strengths. 3. Time is your most valuable currency. Spend it on relationships that nurture your growth and dreams. 4. Success is built upon failures, so never be afraid to stumble. It's how you learn to soar. 5. Remember, the world owes you nothing. Work hard, stay humble, and let your actions speak for your character.
And just like that, ladies and gents, we've unveiled the magic behind those mesmerizing reels. If you enjoyed this tutorial, a thumbs up and subscribe would totally make my day. More videos like this are on the horizon, and this was just the beginning of our journey together. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep rocking the content game.